Hello, I'm Prince Nangwe. This is LICC, Liberia International Christian College. It's located in Royal Community, Ganta City or Ganta City. And here, as you can see the sun behind me, this road leads to the Agriculture Research Center, and where most of my studies were, and I spent most of my time there. And then this is the academic side, and the administrative building. Here it houses for courses students that will have to study or have all the classes here, except for some agriculture courses cannot be here. But for nursing and business, education, theology, and management, they are right here. So LICC offer uh, area like agriculture, general agriculture, up to BSc level. Is that what you studied? Yeah, I studied general agriculture here, and I started here since 2017, and I came out 2021. And then recently, LICC every 6 months, every 3 months, they have a certificate program, which I attended. The first phase of the program is called the LICC Agriculture Certificate Program for some of those people who are still in school, but then they got dropped out along the line, cannot complete their courses. They also come here for certificate because it's really like a kind of criteria for hiring nowadays, certificate. So you can also do the certificate program. It's 3 months and it's wholly on the agriculture side. They also have a women and girls empowerment, which is called they do soap making, tailoring, cosmetology, and all that stuff here too. Yeah. On the left hand, if you're doing general agriculture, this is the practical side. And even when it comes to nursing, though we don't have clinic here, but if you are veterinary, you got animals there are there. It's a mini zoo. Yeah. So you are taught and then you see what you have been taught and then you practicalize it before going out. So even me, I started here before being an agriculturist to work all over. I started here, and it it gives you the environment for learning. Unlike other universities or colleges, LICC is the best.
I mean, I don't understand. I don't understand things like in what world is a crocodile walking? But we're going to see.
No, but crocodile is in a pit. It's in the pond, and you get there, you see it. It's not rushing on you. Yeah.
Wait, who size this?
This is the agricultural research center, and this is the greenhouse. Greenhouse here.
Now the answer.
Chicken. This is the first poultry before the chicken get out over there. It started from here. And the rooster now they with the country hen.
Hello. Me, I scared of the thing. I don't want to see. This is the crocodile pond, but the crocodile is inside, so.
Far more nutritional than any other egg.
Oh.
The red knot on that side and then the blue to the
You know if you can call Bugaya?
snapper. I won't be able to cut. I don't know if the car kids that they're talking about.
So what?
Solar dryer.
Solar dryer.
Yeah, it's built with plastic. They dry. The fruits in here is dry by the sunlight. So all you need is just transparent plastic. And
Hi. Oh, it's really pretty. Guys, I had no idea this place existed. In Ganta, I had no idea, so I'm just really grateful that Prince brought me here because this is amazing. Really, really nice. Oh, the other monkey was really, really cute. Like, I just wanted to take him and carry him home, but I have absolutely no idea how to deal with monkeys at all. And the other one, he looked like he was ready to hurt me. And even though he was eating, maybe because I was disturbing his meal time, maybe that's why.
go on. There you go. And here also, there are about 5 here. This one will dry using the solar dryer.
So, hello everybody. It has been amazing doing this tour here at LICC. Even though we did not get to see the major classes and stuff like that, but at least we got to see the mini zoo. I saw things that I've never seen in my life before, and I am just grateful that I am here in Ganta and I'm having a fun time. Even though I'm exhausted, but I'm still having a fun time. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all for being so consistent. I love you all. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. Love you all. Bye bye.